Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2953-20 impact driver. While other brands have narrowed the gap with the black and red brand, Milwaukee's top-of-the-line impact driver is still the best of the bunch thanks to its tremendous power-to-weight ratio and numerous speed settings. The M18 Fuel 2953 blazed through my more challenging tests, driving 3-inch lag bolts into my stacked lumber in just 2 seconds and boring a hole through a pressure-treated 2x6 with a 1-inch spade bit in less than 3 seconds. The variable speed trigger creates smooth acceleration, which prevents stripping of screw heads. The impact driver also has 4 speed options, so you can rein in that power when working with smaller screws. Despite all that torque, Milwaukee manages to keep the 2953 compact at just 4.47 inches long, though with an added 5.0 Ah battery, it bulks up to about 9.5 inches long and 3.8 total pounds. Still, it's pretty light for an impact driver that produces an impressive 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. Moving on. At number 4, we have the DeWalt Atomic 20 volts Max Impact Driver Kit. DeWalt manages to pack a ton of power into a small package with its Atomic Impact Driver. This compact power tool weighs just a hair over 2 pounds with a head that measures less than 4 inches long, making it the shortest of any I tested. Despite that small size, it performed among the best of the bunch. It drove 3-inch lag bolts into my stacked lumber in under 3 seconds and bored holes in my treated lumber in under 4 seconds with a 1-inch spade bit. The DCF 850 lacks the automated features for controlling speed and torque, which you'll find on many other impact drivers. That's certainly a trade-off. Still, its 3 speeds worked just fine when I tested it on smaller fasteners. At number 3, we have the Makita 18V LXT Impact Driver Kit. Makita's XDT20 combines smooth performance with loads of features that give you more control over the tool's speed, including 2 tightening modes. Its assist mode automatically slowed things down when I started driving screws in order to prevent stripping out the heads or burying them in the wood. The XDT also has a reverse rotation auto stop mode that automatically stops rotation when bolts are adequately loosened to prevent spinning them off. Switching through the XDT's modes was easy thanks to a quick shift button just above the trigger that let me cycle through its speed modes on the fly. And it's designed intuitively with the control panel located on the rear of the driver, so all I had to do was glance down to see which mode the driver was in. The XDT lacks the raw power of other top-tier impact drivers, which showed with some of my tougher tests, but it made up for that with its ultra-smooth operation, compact size, and lightweight 3.3 pounds with battery build. At number 2, we have the DeWalt XR Quiet Hydraulic 20V Impact Driver. The DeWalt DCF 870B Max XR uses a hydraulic system to drive in fasteners, rather than the hammering action of a standard impact driver. As a result, it's significantly quieter than the other models I tested. And while its max 500 inch-pounds of torque is well below what you'll get out of a standard impact driver, it's nonetheless adequate. The DeWalt DCF 870B drove 3-inch screws into lumber in under a second and even handled 3-inch lag bolts with surprising ease. It won't match the raw power of some impact drivers, but it's one that can handle most homeowners' demands. It's also a joy to use. Not only does its hydraulic drive produce less noise, but also less vibration. It's compact and lightweight, with a head length of 4 inches and a bare weight of just 2.2 pounds. Plus, it's equipped with a 3-ring halo-style LED light that casts a bright pool of light over your workspace. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch PS 420212 VMAX Impact Driver Kit. Bosch has a knack for making tools that are comfortable to use, and the PS 4202 Impact Driver is a great example of that. It weighs just a hair over 2 pounds with its battery, and measures just 5.5 inches long and 7.04 inches tall, giving it a very comfortable and compact feel in the hand. It's also surprisingly powerful, given that it's a 12-volt tool. It confidently drove 3-inch screws into lumber in under 2 seconds, and even handled driving 3-inch lag bolts into stacked 2x4s. We're used to 12-volt tools typically being pretty bare bones, but the Bosch PS 4202 has a surprising number of features, including 2 speed options, a bright halo-style LED work light with a separate on-off button, and a convenient battery charge light on the side of the tool. The Bosch is a little on the pricey side when it comes to 12-volt impact drivers, but it's a solidly built tool that performs well and never weighs your hand down. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.